Julian put the spoon upside down. Say hello to Julian. He's having his lunch. He ate the fish and rice. Nice, nice. Turn around your spoon. Like that, look. Here we go. Oh! Sa lorong takay para dili magkahugaw. Come on. Big mouth. Oh, don't move. You pull down. Nice. No. This one's for me. That's for me. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, put Julian. Come on. Eat. Yay! Big mouth mo, Julian. Good boy.